Welcome back everybody. So in this video I am going to be doing a time lapse of a live edge bowl. If there's something you might be interested in seeing more of on my channel, then please feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video with a little bit of music, so I will speak to you towards the end. There we go, just putting the finish on now. Remember, if this is something you'd like to see, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll see what I can do. Okay, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.